Yo, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Oh, crap. Welcome back to our channel. Or to my channel, I should say. And we did make... Oh, crap. We did make a few upgrades. So here, right here, starting out, we got our 8110. And it's May 1st, so it's the summer. But we're going to go ahead and get this on down to... Well, I may just take this down to the dairy cattle, but let me... pull up on the 8110's map here. Even though it doesn't have like an actual screen installed, there is a map up top there, so the buttons are down here for it. So let's go animals. Okay, come on. Animals, dairy barn, feed 79%. Yeah, they should be okay for a while. But I'll probably run this over there eventually this summer to, feed them. So we're gonna park this puppy right there. We go ahead and get out of this 8110. I'm trying to make this look like Grant Hilbert's real life farm. Equipment wise. You gotta be kidding me. We gotta go back out. Well, I thought the tractor was already hooked up to the mixer, but apparently not. So we gotta go right back out. Well, yeah, I really did not want to have to do that, but... So, and then you guys can see it over there in the corner, or right there. That is also a new update. The New Holland Harvest, not a new update, but it's new to the farm. It's a New Holland Harvester. We have 67% feed in this. So we're gonna chop silage with that thing. And do other things. Well, the main one is chop silage. Alright, back up. Right there. Go ahead and get out of the 8110 now. So, like I said, we got our 8110 here with the feed wagon. Now, here comes another challenge. I don't think we need that 8RX, but it's nice to have around the farm. So we're gonna, and then we sold a truck, but then we might. So we are gonna hunt, maybe not this episode. This episode will just be, wait. Well, hold on. We need to see something. Yep, we got it. So we're gonna, and then this is the other thing. The forage harvester. Let's hope this puppy fits in the barn as well. And then we'll do a okay, the header's a little wide, but we'll do a tour. Like right there's gonna be where this parks. So we got our, so we gotta also go ahead and move combine here back, get up and get it moved over so that this door will shut. I forgot about the combine issue. So we'll climb on up in it. Good. Nope. No, the shed yet. Hold on. No. Right there. Now we can go over. About right there, I think. I hope that's enough space. But we will check. So we're climbing out of our combine. Yeah, that's enough space. So we'll start here. We got an 8110. She's already got, I think, like 400 hours on her. Just on the engine, not on the PTO. So that's the 8110. Then behind it's Meyer mixer wagon. We bought this brand new this year. And it's got maybe at least 20 hours on her, I think. And then over here we got a John Deere S780 combine. She's got, we also bought we bought this one used. The engine's got about 40 hours on it, but the separator's got, no, the engine's got like 150 hours, and the separator's got like, I think, 75 hours, but I'll check that later and verify that in the next video. And then we got ourselves a Landau 12 shank disc. I believe in the last episode you guys seen me use it, so I think it's got like 60 hours on it. But it's being pulled by an 81, it's going to be pulled by an 8145R. You can tell this tractor has had some field action on it, because I've had this one for a while now. Through 3 seasons so far. So 3 full years, and she's been doing pretty darn good. And then right behind her, right over here, we got an 8RX 410. This will be our main planting tractor. She's got over 500 hours on her, the engine. And then this planter, we bought her brand new, nothing, no dirt, no nothing. The planter's got no hours on it. Heck, I still have to fill it with seed. And then one of the last things in the shed so far, we got ourselves a New Holland forage harvester for when we're out chopping silage. It's got 0 hours because we bought it brand new. And then we got a feed wagon, or a chaff wagon that pulls behind it to unload the chaff. And then over here we got our South Metro's got a traffic collision. And then over here we got a snow plow that's pulled by the other 8110, or used by the other 8110, which I'll show in a minute. And then out here, if we come around, we got our service rig. It's an F350 flatbed with toolboxes, with a couple toolboxes and a fuel tank. We'll get it put in the shed. So we bought this one last year, so it's still pretty new. By a year, we got like maybe 15,000 miles on her. So where do we want to park? No, well, let's park it over here in the corner, next to the 8110. Like right there's a good spot. So we got our service rig in the shop. Did we move any equipment? Nope. And then over here, we got our grain dryer system. I know this is like a new farm, like a different farm tour, but grain dryer system. And then, so you see there's the other 8110 with the loader bucket there. We bought that one brand new, still got like 0 hours. Here's our new grain gravity wagons. Brand new, nothing on them, no dirt, no nothing. And then I know I'm forgetting one. Oh yeah, we got, here's another new tractor we bought. It's a Case IH I think 4812. I don't know, but we'll just go with this. We'll just go with the case 6120. Yeah, case 6120 with a bale spear. This will be dairy farm, and then we've got our livestock trailer, and then a Peterbilt 389 for the milk trailer when it comes time to load up with milk. And then there's a trick. And then here's my truck. It's a 1985 Dodge D250. Heck, since it's summer, let's go ahead and pop up in the deer stand for a minute. Hold on. Let me try to get this thing to shoot. What? Oh, there it goes. It actually wants to shoot. But we're not gonna waste ammo because of... Hold on, let me really quick go fields. When it hasn't started... So, if we don't see anything in like 2 minutes, we're gonna back out of the deer stand because I don't want to be on video for long. Yeah, maybe next video will be our hunting video. Peace.